Alright, Joe's RV and Fishing Channel here. We're getting ready to go out on the water in the boat. This is my favorite spot. Been here many a times, but this will be the first time on video. Y'all stick around. Alright folks, I'm gonna give it some gas and try it. Let's see what we get. Alright folks, we're out here. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. I got a cork. He's out there floating. Got a few boats getting it out there. Got 3 of them getting it all at the same time. Oh, that one is moving, boy. Look at that. One closest to us. Look at them getting it. Grandma's throwing her hook out there. I've got one bite so far, but I don't know what it was. Just stole my bait. That's all he did. Pretty place. Uh-oh, we got one coming here. Yeah, this lake here stays busy with boats constantly. I got a little John boat rolling. Look at him go, boy. On the spot number 2. Let's go. All right, folks, here we go. I'm gonna go across the lake. Behind me, make sure there ain't no traffic. We hit spot number 2. Don't know if there's gonna be a third one or not. Grandma's fishing that way. Let me find my bobber. Oh, it's right there in front of me. The wind is cutting it, boy, I tell y'all. Y'all know when I go fishing, the wind is gonna blow all the time. All the time. It never tends to fail. We are fishing for some crappie right now, using a cork, a minnow, and just searching. No, we ain't doing no live scope. Not into it, not interested in it. I have my personal opinion about it, but I'm gonna keep that to myself. But yeah, we're going to do it the old-fashioned way. And if not, we'll see y'all again bright and early in the morning. Before daylight, I'm getting up and getting out here. After my coffee, gotta have my coffee. So, I don't know if this is gonna be it or not for today. We'll see. Well, folks, here's spot number 3. See what's gonna happen. Let's go. Oh, hold on, maybe not. I'm gonna try to beat it. These boys out here, they like to roll and they like to roll in front of you. They don't give a damn. Here we go, back across the lake. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Woo! Look at Grandma, hold on, y'all. Keep holding on. We having fun. Make sure you ain't speeding through here because they crybaby buttholes hear about it. Or you'll get blamed for something you ain't doing somebody else did. I'll get back with y'all when we get to the camper. Well, this is going to do it for today's video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching my videos. And I also appreciate y'all subscribing and giving me them thumbs up. And y'all keep it coming my way, and we're going to get out and get it, and we might go out later this afternoon, a little bit later. Might do a little night fishing tonight, who knows. So, this is going to end it. Let's get out and get it. Y'all enjoy y'all's afternoon. Love y'all. Peace out.